Raw materials do not reach their full potential if they don't go through certain processes. This is also true for logs and wood. Their purpose is very limited if they aren't cut into shape first. Good thing we have the Sherwood machines made to assist in this field. Using this machine is much better than manual labor since this is capable of shaving down up to 20 feet long and 1.25 feet wide logs. Not only that, because it can also spin up to 950 RPM at the cylinder head and 300 RPM when it comes to the milling spindles. The task at hand is also made significantly easier if it's outfitted with a hydraulic drive system. By doing this, fresh logs are loaded easier while newly cut logs are removed. With a splitting force of 76 tons, the Super Splitter from Bell's Machining is guaranteed to be an effective match for any and every log. Aside from its impressive splitting force, any operator would also be amazed at how this machine's 4-way wedge can handle logs up to 9.5 feet long and 42 inches across. Since Bell's Machining also takes efficiency and productivity seriously, their machine is complete with a wireless control system, so loading and splitting can be done even with just one operator. In wood processing, machines don't only have a hard time on large logs, but also face difficulties when processing small ones. However, spindleless veneer peeling lines from Fenner are different since they were developed to process small diameter logs or log cores from traditional peeling lines. It guarantees a high recovery rate of the wood because it can peel logs up to a very small diameter final core. It can even take the most bulky logs and peel them up into the best width for your needs. Even with its compact and simple construction, it promises customers most modern automation resources and peeling process control features, giving high veneer quality, thickness accuracy, high production output, and low labor requirement. Aside from this, operators won't have to worry about keeping the area clean too. The waste produced by this machine goes out through a funnel in a clipping gate, hence making it easier to collect and dispose. Extremely heavy-duty service is on the expertise of the Clearman Industries HD 852 Rosser debarker. With its improved features and design, this machine is surely the best for debarking. It has cast alloy steel bowl wheels, 3 15/16-inch bowl wheel shafts, and Clearman HD carriage wheels riding on heavy-duty replaceable vertical tracks. Aside from that, it also has proprietary balanced ambidextrous segmented aluminum head and a design specific for swell reduction while creating a perfect profile. Using its 75 horsepower TEFC motor drive package, the machine can scrape away through bark exteriors without wasting the valuable wood underneath. It can also debark logs that are up to 8 to 52 inches in diameter. To also help with the comfort of the operator, the HD 852 Rosser head debarker is built with a comfortable operator's booth that functions with Clearman's exclusive palm flat joystick controls mounted on a deluxe armrest joystick seat. The task is also easier to monitor since the machine comes with touchscreen diagnostic controls, best for easy troubleshooting. Plus, it has a remote machine grease plate that makes maintenance fast, simple, and safe. If you're looking for a machine that can cut any type of wood smoothly and specifically in 3 parts, you should start getting to know the Serra D Fitta Dupla of Mentas Mequanas. Known as the SFD 1500, this band sawmill has an impressive 1500 hand wheels that make sure there is high-speed operation while maintaining high precision cutting. Its power and efficiency can be measured by the 100 meters of wood it can deliver every minute. Such an impressive innovation. Did you know that some screws are made out of wood? This is what Brusa is famous for. The Brusa wooden screw machine processes wood in a unique way by precisely shaping and carving the threads and patterns until it becomes a wooden screw. This means that this machine was designed to excellently provide even the most complex and intricate designs on small pieces of wood. But this isn't a shocker, since Brusa is really known for machines as amazing as this.
Now that oil and fuel is getting more and more expensive, alternatives are sought out by the government and industries. They have found out that wood chips are actually good alternative sources for power generation, hence making them more in demand today. Good thing that the Vermeer Forestry equipment offers a solution for efficient wood chips production. This is the WC2300XL Whole Tree Chipper, a powerful solution for producing wood chips. Through its variable speed, dual in-feed conveyor chains, and smart crush technology, it is able to handle materials in the best way possible. Using this machine guarantees the production of valuable end product from log or slash. Parts of the machine that wears off easily are also replaceable, which makes maintenance easier too. Next up, we have a debarking machine from Bosch Leibniz, which was designed to make debarking safer and more convenient. This functions by debarking any round timber so that it can be prepared for its designated purpose. Although this is known to be a professional machine, operators are sure to experience a smooth and easy operation with it, and even makes pointing a single work step easier too. To make this machine work, operators need to place the log on the feeder so the debarking process can start. Since this has an adjustable feed, the surface quality can also be altered so that the target result can be achieved faster. This machine is capable of reaching 9 running meters per minute while working with logs that have 15 centimeter diameter. After the process, the built-in ejector fan of the machine automatically discharges the processed chips. Truly, debarking is made as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you're looking for debarking machines able to take logs up to 795 millimeters in diameter, the Cambio 800 debarker with CIM 750 infeed from Camtrail outfeed is the best one for you. This innovation easily becomes one of the world's best alternatives for challenging sawmills and log yards thanks to its durability, limited surface requirements, and very low running cost. Some of its amazing features are the triangular feed and the carbide-typed debarking tools. The feed works impressively, meanwhile the tools are powered by compressed air. All these unique and useful specs lead to first-class debarking performance. Now let's move on to the Mibor VTZ Sawmill Factory, a fully autonomous sawmill factory. In this factory, they have double chipper canters, quad and double vertical bandsaws that work together for a successful process. Blades are positioned by scanning logs and automatic optimization for the best recovery. They also have the VRA40F optimized edger to help them edge up to 40 boards per minute. After that, further processing is done with the Doublehead RS1300 resaw line, completing a full system run. Aside from the way it does its work, it's also very surprising to know that the production capacity of this factory is up to 500 cubic meters, and it is able to complete that in just 8 hours of shift. Even though this is the last on the list, Drumet machines are still as mind-blowing as the other ones. They are known for their durable and robust designs, as well as their high precision and overall wonderful performance. They also offer these woodworking machines that have been popular in the market because of its almost entirely failure-free operation when processing wood up to 380 millimeters thick. The line of Drumet machines include the circular sawing machine TT400, intended to handle initial woodworking or the cutting of the outermost timber layer, producing a cuboid with the width of the log being cut. Results can also be accelerated through their twin-shaft multi-saw WD200-240M, primarily for cutting timber logs into thinner planks. The byproducts of these are then processed further by the twin-shaft multi-saw WD200-240M. After that, the results can vary from planks, strips, or square timber, with widths depending on the set width of circular saws. It's also important to note that the thickness of planks are set manually. This is done by setting the distance between the saws on the shaft. This is where our video on different wood processing machines ends. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like this video and tell us about your thoughts in the comment section below. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching.